Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you want to level up your Figma skills, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step process for creating advanced shapes in Figma, the kind you might see in modern web interfaces, app mockups, or even just as eye-catching design elements. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to easily create custom shapes, add smooth curves, and use image masks to make your designs stand out. Let's dive right in. Alright, to kick things off, let's create a big rectangle right in the center of your Figma canvas. This rectangle is going to act as our base shape, so you want to size it large enough to easily work with maybe something like 400 by 300 pixels, but feel free to adjust for your project. It helps to imagine this as the canvas for the cool cutouts we're about to add. Next, we're going to create two smaller rectangles, one for the top and one for the bottom. Simply draw a thin rectangle near the top edge of your big rectangle and another near the bottom. These two shapes will serve as the holes we're punching out of the main shape. Think of it like cookie-cutting shapes out of dough. Before moving on, change the color of these smaller rectangles to something totally different from your big rectangle. This will make things much easier to see as you're working. Now let's bring it all together. Hold Shift and select all three rectangles, the big one and both small ones. Then, at the top menu or the right-click menu, find and choose the Subtract Boolean operation. What this does is subtracts the two small rectangles away from your main shape, so you're left with one combined object that has neat cutouts at the top and bottom. This step is really powerful. It lets you merge or subtract shapes to create pretty much any custom silhouette you can imagine. Here, where we make it look really polished. With your new shape selected, go over to the corner radius options, usually in the right side panel. Increase the corner radius to add a nice smooth curve. You'll see how those once sharp edges instantly feel softer and more modern. Don't worry if you need to play around a bit to find the amount of curve you like. Sometimes just a hint of rounding can make a shape feel friendlier, kind of like how a button with soft edges feels more inviting to tap. Next up, let's add some extra design flair. Head over to the Layers panel, find one of your original small rectangle layers and click to select it. Now hit Copy, then Paste, and move this new rectangle wherever you like along the edge of your shape. You can duplicate more copies and position them differently depending on the design you're going for. Maybe you want evenly spaced cutouts all along the side. Feel free to get creative here. As you do this, you'll start to notice those cool, curved corners forming different patterns, depending on where your shapes overlap. Once you're happy with how your custom shape looks, go ahead and select all its pieces and group them together. Grouping keeps everything tidy and lets you move or scale your shape as one object. Now for the real magic, let's add an image to bring your shape to life. Drag and drop your chosen image onto the canvas and arrange it so it covers your custom shape. Select both the image and the shape, right-click and choose Use as Mask. Figma will automatically crop the image into your custom silhouette. This is such a cool trick for instantly making icons, profile frames, or dynamic placeholders. And that's it, you've just created an advanced customized shape with curved corners, cutouts, and an image mask, all using Figma's built-in tools. If anything didn't look quite right, don't stress, playing around with the size and position of each piece is totally normal. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and let me know any questions or Figma tips you'd like to see in the comments below. And if you want more hands-on design tutorials, don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.